Alright, see here. Uh, let's go with this one right here. Alright guys, let's see what this is right here. Air Jordan red and white tank. Alright, with this I think it's, yeah, it's actually striped because it just is red stitching going up and down, however you want to call it. Jumpman on the heart in black, size medium. Hold on a second, sorry about that. Made in Thailand. Jumpman on the back, right there. It has the black, black on the sides right here. Pretty cool. Same thing goes on the right side. Alright, now let's try it on. Alright, here you guys have it. Lower this camera to give you guys a better view. There you go. There you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think about that. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you already haven't done so you don't miss any of those right there. Alright? And I'll gladly get to you guys soon. Alright? Take care.